Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on your Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, extension, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin to avoid burns and ensure proper component handling. You'll find the spark plugs located under the engine cover, so prepare to remove that first. Now carefully remove the engine cover. Next, disconnect and remove the ignition coils, noting their position for reinstallation. Using your spark plug socket and extension, gently loosen each spark plug by turning it counterclockwise. Once loose, carefully extract the old plugs. Take a moment to inspect them for any signs of unusual wear, which can indicate engine issues. Before installing the new spark plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Carefully hand-thread each new spark plug into its port to avoid cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification of 14 foot-pounds, ensuring a secure fit. With the new spark plugs installed, it's time to reassemble. Reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click firmly into place and secure any bolts. Replace the engine cover, making sure all clips and fasteners are properly engaged. Finally, start your Alfa Romeo Giulia and listen for smooth engine operation, confirming your spark plug change was successful. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.